What if Loki used forbidden necromancy to resurrect Bestla, Odin's own mother? Bestla was a frost giant who died in the ancient war between gods and giants. Her death helped Odin rise to power, but now she learns a terrible truth. For thousands of years, her son has been slaughtering her giant kin while claiming divine righteousness. The moment she confronts Odin, something unexpected happens. Ancient magic binds him to obey his mother, despite his godhood. He cannot raise a weapon against her or refuse her commands. Bestla's judgment carries cosmic weight that strips away his legitimacy as ruler. How can he claim righteousness when his own mother condemns his actions? She declares Loki, a fellow giant and victim of Odin's tyranny, as her true heir. The trickster god finally wins, not through cunning or strength, but through family bonds. A mother's disappointment became divine justice. In the end, maternal authority proved stronger than cosmic power itself.